egg.
Easter egg hunt at the park near Lori's house. Come on, Alex.
Oh my God.
How many eggs you got? Oh, so many. Oh, there's another one. You having fun, Alex?
Making me tired.
There's another one. There's everybody looking for eggs. Oh, I see a couple around here.
Barbecue.
All right, Alex, how many eggs you got? Oh, so many.
Come on, Alex.
There's everybody.